Hi guys, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I like to share my mushroom gravy. Let's get into our ingredients over here. If you're vegetarian, okay, you can do this with 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 stick of butter, okay, or just do olive oil. Okay, today I am going to make this with the bacon grease that we saved. So now I have a satake mushroom over here, 1 pound. Okay, this is 1/4 cup all-purpose flour. Okay, and this is 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Okay, 3 tablespoons of beef bouillon. We're gonna use beef bouillon. Okay, now if you're, like I said, if you are vegetarian, you can just aim at this thing. Okay, so anyhow, 3 tablespoons of beef bouillon. Okay, 1 teaspoon of a black pepper, 2 tablespoons of black soy sauce. Okay, half of a medium white onion, 1 bulb of garlic. So now we're gonna go ahead and smash our garlic like that. See, I like a lot of garlic when I'm cooking because that's good for your health. Anyhow, just roughly chop the thing, okay, and be careful with your hand. We don't want any human meat in there, okay? Okay, anyhow, that's that. All right, so our pan or pot, it should be warm now. So this is about I should say 3 tablespoons, okay? We wanted to make it hot, so we're gonna turn it up high, okay? So we wanna chop this onion into you know, a small dice. Okay, let's put our garlic in there. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Turn it down. We put our chopped up onion in there. Okay, now we turn that down to low, right? We don't want to burn the onion and also the garlic. Okay, you can use any mushroom. We're gonna put that in there while we chop. It's not gonna burn or cook because we have our heat down. Okay, oops, I don't know if you can see my pot. My mushroom, it's kind of dry, so we're going to add some olive oil. Okay, so about 1, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay, you don't want it to swim with liquid. Okay, so let's put about half a teaspoon of salt, so that the salt would draw the moisture of the mushroom or the juice. Okay, half a teaspoon. All right, so okay, just like that. Let's put that in a slow or low. You don't want to burn your mushroom. Okay, you don't want to burn it. You want to check it every 3 minutes. Kinda mix it, okay, because you don't want to burn the bottom. Okay guys, we're gonna check this in 3 minutes. Okay, after 3 minutes. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. If you can just smell this, guys. Okay, now the mushroom is starting to get kind of wilted, so that's what we want, right? Okay, let's cover this up again. Don't let it get dry. Okay, so this is after 2 minutes. Really 3 minutes. We've been blabbing. Oh, okay, see, all right, almost brown. Okay, and let's cover this, guys. Don't forget 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes, guys. All right, 2 minutes up. Okay, oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay guys, now we're really happening now. See, all right. See, okay, it's not sticking in there, guys. Don't let it stick. Okay, if you can what you might call this, smell this aroma. Oh my goodness, so delightful. All right. Another 2 minutes up. Okay. Alrighty then. Oh yeah, beautiful guys. Look at that. Okay guys. Okay. All right. See that guys? You see that? Oh, brother and sister. Okay. Let me see. Now we're going to introduce the mushrooms friends. Okay. We're gonna make a little wheel over here or hole right here in the middle. All right. First, we're going to put the beef bouillon, okay? And then we're going to put our oyster sauce, guys, okay? All right. And then we're going to put our black pepper, okay, guys? Now we're gonna marry it around, squeeze it around like that, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. If you guys have a smelly vision, oh, brother and sister, hovering over this thing, guys. Our heat is still simmering, okay? You don't want to burn the thing, okay? Now, guys, this is our 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, all right? Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, we squeeze it around. In other words, we're gonna mix it really thoroughly mixed, okay, guys? Now we are going to make roux. So now we're gonna mix this together, okay? And then to that, guys, we're going to cook this for a couple minutes, guys. That's all it needs, couple minutes, okay? Switch it around quickly, guys, okay? Quickly. You don't want to burn it, okay? If you leave it longer than that, it's gonna burn, okay, guys? See, we're cooking the flour right now. All right, couple minutes already passed by. Now we cooked our flour, right? Now as you put your thing in there, okay, see that okay, all right. So now 4 cups, okay, guys. Mix it, kind of push it aside so that mixture would separate. So after you mix it thoroughly, we're going to cover this, guys, okay? Come back, guys, in 2 minutes, okay? No more than 2 minutes, guys, because if the thing settle down into the bottom, you're gonna burn your gravy, okay? You don't want to do that, okay? That's a no-no. So 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes up. Oh yeah, so you see, guys, it's already, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. You see that? Oh my goodness, guys, you see that? It's starting to thicken up. When you're making gravy or anything like this, use a good pot, okay? The pot that you should be using is thick on the bottom, okay, guys? So anywho, okay, so now what we're waiting for is this to thicken up, okay? Let's turn it up a bit, medium high, okay? But you have to stand right here. You need to do that, guys, especially when you're cooking something really delicate as this one, okay? You know what I'm saying? Anyhow, let me test this one. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Delightful, guys, delightful. Okay, so check this out, guys. See? All right, okay. Now I would quit cooking this because the more it sits, okay, the more it would thicken. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like my recipe, guys. Okay, it's delicious, guys. You would like it, okay? Easy mushroom gravy, okay? Until next time, right here, Cooking with Tita, okay? All right, as I always say, bon appetit. Bye.